doon sa check-up ko, na-schedule na ang aking C-section surgery. Ang plano talaga namin ni Mr. sana gawing July the 5th. Yan, nilagay na ni Mr. ang chicken. Chicken breast yung ginamit namin dito. Hello everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Wednesday! So ngayon na yung aking appointment sa doktor and ngayon na rin pag-uusapan kung kailan ang aking C-section. So hindi ko tinuloy yung aking glucose tolerance test kasi parang hindi ko kaya mag-fasting ngayon. 2 weeks from now na lang. Pwede naman daw yun hanggang 32 weeks. So magta 30 weeks pa lang ako this coming Friday. So after 2 weeks, ayun, doon namin i-schedule yung aking glucose tolerance test, yung 3 hours. Ang hirap kasi mag-fasting, nagugutom talaga ako. Parang hindi ako ready for today. Tsaka masyadong maaga. Kailangan 9 AM andun na ako. And then yung appointment ko ngayon is 1 PM. It's 12:31 PM. And yung temperature ngayon, maganda yung weather. It's 19 degrees Celsius. So yan si Zira. Baby, say hello.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So, andito tayo ngayon sa Asian store, guys. May bibilhin lang kami. Si Zira. We're gonna buy kimchi. Bibili ako ng sayo. Parang wala yata silang sayo.
It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Maybe we could just use them. That's not for Inola. That's not for Inola. Yeah, Friday. Or maybe just it's the you want the stuff? It's not good. Well,
Now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure.
maybe we will for Inola. That's not for the Maybe here.
Hi. How are you? We're good. How are you?
Ay.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 is something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other
Can I get
11
silver?
is something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen.
Maybe we'll just get this one. Halab.
Just open the door. One thing certain.
No, we don't have. Oh, they have this short. I want this. This one is okay. I want this. We have this. I told you, it's not something that you can just put it on. It's this. What is that thing? Lemon? No. Pretty. Dance, 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 dance. So, nakauwi na kami guys. Ito ang aming pa-OOTD ni Zara. Parehas kami naka-blue. Show them yung OOTD. Ay. Ayan, yan yung aking in-order sa Shein. Pretty again. The baby's pretty.
Look at this. If I had a page for Rose Tom, I can send her this.
Hey baby. Are you trying to be pretty again?
Yay!
Yeah. Yay. What's that? Cute ang shoes niya, diba? So, ito na nga, nakauwi na nga kami guys, and si Mr. andoon sa likod, nagluluto siya ng tinola. Kasi nagkikarib ako sa tinola. Kaso kanina, di ba, nagpunta kami sa Asian store, walang, anong tawag doon? Walang sayote. Meron kaming papaya, kaso hinog siya. Pero itatry na lang siguro namin lagyan ng konting hinog na papaya. Wala ka din kasi yung hilaw eh. So, ayun. So, yung nangyari doon sa check-up ko, na-schedule na ang aking C-section surgery. Ang plano talaga namin ni Mr. sana gawing July the 4th. Is July the 4th Independence Day, love?
Yeah.
Para Independence Day. Kaso, sabi nung aking OBGYN na mag-surgery, magpa-perform ng surgery sa akin, gusto nilang 39 weeks. 38 weeks kasi yan pagka July the 4th. So, sabi nila most likely hindi naman ako mag-labor ng mas maaga doon. Kaya, yung gusto talaga nilang i-target is 39 weeks. So, that will be July the 11th. Tapos may napansin si Mr. dun sa July the 11th. What is it, love? 7-11. So, yun yung magiging birthday ng ating second baby. Unless, mag-early labor na wag naman sana. Doon sa, date na in-schedule nila. Pero pwede pa rin daw pabago yun. Pwedeng mas maging late. Depende dun sa availability din ng surgery room. Basta may sinabi yung doktor eh. Iko-confirm pa nila sa akin yung date at tawagan ako ng secretary niya. So, yung OBGYN na mag-perform ng surgery sa akin, akala ko talaga nung una is yung doktor na tumingin sa akin nung first na check-up ko dun sa hospital na yun. Pero sabi niya siya daw. So, ayun. Medyo bata pa siya. And lalaki siya. And sabi din niya, mostly daw dito, yung mga C-section parang 2 days lang nakakauwi na ng bahay. Pero depende pa rin daw sa recovery. dun sa pag-recover ng katawan ko. Sa Philippines, nakaano kami dun eh. Love, how long did we stay in the hospital in the Philippines? 1 week?
Yeah.
I know, isn't it 2 weeks?
I don't know.
Parang mga 2 weeks yun kasi si Zeta, nag-ano na nga, 10 days? 1 week? Ay, 1 week pala. Mga ganon. 7 days or 8 days. Kasi si Zeta, kailangan namin mag-extend dahil nga nag-poop na siya sa loob ng tiyan ko noon. And kailangan niya ng antibiotics. So, yun, medyo matagal kami doon. Kaya paglabas ko is medyo okay na talaga ako. So, ayun, yun nangyari sa check-up ko. Nakaschedule na. Malapit nang lumabas si baby. So, I am currently 29 weeks. So, 10 weeks na lang. Lalabas na ang ating second baby. Ang kapatid ni Zeta. And then, yung sa check-up ko naman, okay siya lahat. Yung weight ko, nadagdagan ako ng 1 pound. So, 110 pounds na ako. And yung blood pressure ko is 100/58. And sabi pala din nung doktor, anemic ako. So, kailangan ko ng iron supplement. And, what else? Yung heartbeat ni baby is okay din. Yung aking fundal height is, ano din siya, okay din. So, everything is okay naman. I except dun nga sa aking glucose tolerance test. Pero pwede ko pa naman daw siya gawin 2 weeks from now. So, okay lang siya. So, ayan si Mister. Nagluluto siya ng chicken tinola. Pinanood niya si Panlasang Pinoy. And, yun yung kanyang gagayahin. Kaso nga, wala lang kami ng hilaw na papaya. What we're gonna do as a replacement for the unripe papaya. We have the ripe one though.
Yeah, I'm gonna use the right.
Oo, yun na lang.
I'm
Wala
gonna
rin.
rinse it under hot water to try and remove some of the sweetness of it. I think we should just leave it out.
I think so too. It's not that sweet though.
I'm gonna use it and it is pretty sweet.
It's not.
I'm gonna use it for smoothies.
You
These
don't...
onions, we just bought them and they're already bad.
Yeah. Are you gonna eat that? The tinola? Try it. Ayaw niya kasi ng may patis, pero lalagyan niya daw ng patis kasi gusto niyang gayahin yung pagluluto ni Panlasang Pinoy. So, nagigisa na siya dito ng ano, what is this, love? Onion and garlic. Is that the only ginger that we have? Really? I thought we still have a lot. No, be careful with your hands.
It's like wood. You really want to eat this?
Huh?
It's like wood.
Normally they would cut it like long cuts. I don't know how.
When
kind
it
of
cuts, it's so like
I think it doesn't matter. Some other people would just do that. What do you call that?
smash it.
Yes.
I can smash it with a knife.
Wait, what you doing? Ayan, nilagay na ni Mr. ang chicken. Chicken breast yung ginamit namin dito. Yung ginamit niya. Para mas masarap sana kung may mga buto-buto. Kasi chicken breast yung nabili namin.
It's not really coming out. How's that? More?
I don't know, you try it.
I think that's enough.
Just add more
That's
if it's ano. Hindi kasi siya talaga naglalagay ng patis sa mga lutuin.
That's the for rice water.
Tapos yung kay Panlasang Pinoy, ang sabi niya ay
This chicken.
mas masarap daw, mas malasa pagka yung hugas bigas yung ilalagay na water. So, yun yung try ni Mr. I think there should be more water, lab. More rice, ano bang English
There's gonna be
ng
more
hugas
water,
bigas?
but there's not gonna be more rice water.
I don't think that's gonna be enough.
It's enough.
Should be full.
Even-
Should be soupy.
There's gonna be more water, just not more white rice water.
Para siyang pininyang manok. Yung kulay.
Is it not supposed to be that color?
I don't know. That's the first time that I saw a person using the rice wash. Is it rice water? Whatever that is. For tinola. Mostly it's just clear water. Pure water.